Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing some cracked ice using Madam Glam's BIAB. So as it's repetitive on all the nails, I have done the 3 and I'm doing this one with you. So I'm using Madam Glam's Pure Serenity in a bottle, and with my cling film on top of that wet gel, I am just using this tool, and that's it. You keep touching it, it just turns into something else, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. So this is how the other nails already look. Now, I want to use the Holo colour from this pressed pigment palette, as well as Scorpio season. Because it's no longer Scorpio season, I am so sad. I really am. So guys, upon looking, I thought high vibrations should go with this set. So I'm going to trust the process. So on the 3 nails, other than the middle, I just really want that high vibration to peep. Just at the cuticle. And I've done that with the 3, but this one I feathered down. Okay, so what I've done, I've gone in with Scorpio season on that nail, and I just feathered down. I've just left a little peep, just a little tiny peep. So what I think I'll do is, I'm going to see how it looks once I have put the chrome on the nail, because I may use high vibration again and just kind of ombre it over the chrome, but I'm going to wait and see. You know, when you're doing nails, sometimes you're like 5 steps ahead in your brain, and you haven't even sort of, what the hell is that? You haven't even like finished what you're doing, and you're already thinking about the next sort of step. I'll clean that up. I think this colour is absolutely beautiful, and not because it's Scorpio season, but just because it is such a beautiful colour. And don't forget guys, please feel free to use the discount codes on screen. Save yourself some coin. I'm sure Madam Glam still have lots of things on sale. Now I'm using this Scorpio season. It's from the House of Giving. And sorry, there's something on that nail I can't get off. Just hope it doesn't affect my chrome, because when you're doing chrome, you really do want a smooth surface. Okay, now, so I'm just doing the chrome. I mean, it's pretty much the same I did. So I did those ones off camera, and I didn't use a tip on the base of this nail. Now, I have to say, I didn't put any top coat or base coat on that colour. You know, the Scorpio season, I literally just went in with the chrome. Okay, so happy with that. Priya would say janky. That's what I'm literally thinking. So I'm gonna go in with some more of that high vibration. I just wanna sort of push it up but pull it down. if that makes sense. It's literally all we are trying to do. I'm supposed to do 2 coats of this high vibration, 2 thin coats. Okay, just make sure on this one. And I think, you know, with the Holo chrome, because of the color I used, it just, yeah, it just gave it a nice color. I like it. I'm just moving so slow because I don't want that nail to fall out. Okay, so I will cure for 30 seconds. That's really all you need with a no wipe top coat. So I'm going to put a few stones. Can you spot the stone on the nail? Just put one more on that side. And for this nail, I'm actually going to draw a snowflake. So I'm going to just pop the nails in the lamp. Now, my nail sister, Raven's Reviews, has a beautiful tutorial for snowflakes, so I will leave that linked in the description box. Now I want to see, I'm trying to think what is it that I do wrong, but I'm just going to change the snowflakes a little bit. And that's what I love, because you can do literally what you want, because no 2 snowflakes are the same. I love the madamglam gel paint because it's perfect for doing things like this, because it actually won't like run away. Just 2, 3. There's something just so effortless about snowflakes, and I don't mean that in an ignorant way. I just mean because the aim isn't perfection. It's a snowflake. It's just got to look like a snowflake, that's all. cramp. So I'm going to draw 2 as well. And you know, nothing has been cured. I'm going to do that first. And I'm literally making this up as I go along, honestly. Can you tell? Okay, let's do... And that one's got, apparently, 2. Okay. I'll just do a blob there. To do this side. So I think I will I'm just looking at it and just making sure that everything is where it should be. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are how the nails look. We did the icy effect and we used some chrome and high vibration and the white Madam Glam gel paint. Absolutely love them. You can see the ice. Oh gosh. What's that fluff? Absolutely love them. I love that chrome and the high vibrations. Wow. Please feel free to use and share the discount code, guys. Thank you so much. I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please catch me in the next one. Bye everyone.